a sum of rupees 86 become 137.60 in 4 years. What will be rupees 64 amounts to in 2 years at the same rate of interest on simple interest basis? First, 86 rupees invested. It becomes 137 something. Again they have invested 64 rupees. So two investment involved problem. Whenever two principles involved, you have to say it is a two transaction problem. Two principles involved in the problem. Read. First they are investing 86 rupees, one principle. In the question they are asking, a sum 64. What will be rupees 64 amounts to? 64 rupees invested. After 2 years, how much I will get? So one investment given, one investment asked. First you write the sentence. In this problem, two principles are involved. Principal spelling, principal spelling you put. Principal spelling you write. Pronunciation principles. In this problem, two principles are involved. Answer this problem. Answer this problem. Answer this problem has, HIS has two transactions. This problem has two transactions. First transaction heading. Principal. A sum of rupees P86 N 4 years. First paragraph you study, a sum 86 becomes 137.60. P given, A given, N 4 years. Rate of interest not given, that you have to calculate. SI, A involved, no SI. Formula 3 are used. No SI. These letters are used, which formula? A involved mean either this formula, that formula, A involved. SI not involved, therefore this formula. A involved two formulae. SI involved means this formula you have to consider. SI not given, so this you have to consider. Letters are used. P letter given, N letter given, I letter given. The above letters are connected in. These letters are connected in. R value not asked. Immediately 15% you don't put. We want I value calculated. R value not asked. Question is not asked. Question they are asking second transaction. Question is second transaction. I value leave as it is. First transaction what we are doing, I value calculated. R value don't write. Use calculator. I am using mental calculation. I didn't bring calculator, therefore I am doing. You don't copy. Use calculator. This by this calculator. Second transaction heading. What will be rupees 64 amounts to? What 64 become? How the 64 becomes a principal is 64. Principal 64 given in 2 years. Same rate of interest. I value. What will be rupees 64 amounts to? 64 becomes how much? 64 becomes how much? Becomes how much mean A. A asked 64 principal. First transactions, interest rate you have to use. First transaction, I value you have to use. Same rate of interest. ₹64 becomes 83.20. The two transaction problem during 2011 to 2017. Two transaction problem they ask. Two principal involved. Simple interest one transaction, compound another transaction. Both the transaction compound interest, both the transaction simple interest likewise they have asked. We recommended these two questions we have, two types of calculation, two times we are calculating. So calculation is a time consuming, within 1 minute you cannot find both. So two transaction problem, two times we have to show the calculation, within 1 minute we cannot complete the problem. Afterwards 2015, 2017, I remember, after 2017, they are not CPT, they didn't ask two transaction problem, only one